EBS Kids.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Welcome to Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Summer special late. Don't touch, Silver.
Bling, 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 bling. I've got something for you. Ta-da!
Peach?
Yes, take a bite.
No, Peach! No, Peach! Take it away! Achoo!
What's wrong? I'm going to make a peach sandwich.
No peach sandwich! I have an allergy to peaches! Achoo! No peach! Achoo! Make me a cheese sandwich! Make me a chicken sandwich! Achoo!
We don't have any cheese or chicken.
Then go buy cheese and chicken! Go! Go!
Yes, sir.
Limo, are you okay?
Oh, it's heavy. I'm thirsty. Oh? Hot water! Limo, give me some water, please.
Oh, here.
That's good. Thank you.
Joe, look.
What is this? Change? Peach? What is it?
Let me see.
Okay.
There are some missing words. Drink this, and everything you touch will change into a peach? Oh, this is the water from the legendary Peach Prince River.
Legendary Peach Prince River?
Yes. A long time ago, there was a prince who loved peaches. The prince ate peaches every day. One day, the prince turned into a peach tree. The prince cried and cried. His tears became a river. Since then, whoever drank the water from the river was cursed. So, everything they touched changed into a peach. The legendary Peach Prince River.
The Peach Prince? The Peach Curse? Limo Pepper, did you drink this?
No. Silver drank this water.
got cheese for you.
Peach!
Peach?
Achoo!
But I bought cheese.
Ah! Peaches! Oh, Silver! Achoo!
No, Bling Bling. I didn't buy peaches. I bought cheese and chicken.
Then, where's the chicken?
Chicken? Here.
Achoo!
Look, chicken.
Ah! Peach again! Achoo! Achoo!
What's happening to me? Let me. Peach?
Silver, everything you touch changes into a peach.
Oh, Bling Bling. What should I do?
Don't touch me! No, don't touch me! No!
Can I help?
Stop! Silver! Don't touch that chair! Don't touch!
Fine. Then maybe some music.
Stop! Don't touch it! I'll do it for you. What channel?
Channel 3.
There you go.
This is fun. This trophy is...
Stop! Don't touch it!
Okay. Maybe I'll go play the guitar.
No! Don't touch my guitar! Oh, I worked so hard, and I'm so hungry. This chicken is delicious.
Chicken? I want some chicken, too.
I don't think so.
Chicken!
Don't touch my chicken.
Aw, give me some chicken! I'm hungry! Water! No! No more peaches!
So, everything you touch changes into a peach?
Yes, look! Wow! So I just...
No.
I think...
Just stay there.
Oscar...
Stop! Stay there! Silver, I'll make change back ice cream for you.
Change back ice cream?
One bite, and it will change everything back to how it was.
Let's hurry up.
Oscar's Impossible Ice Cream Recipe. Today's ingredients are the letters C-H.
C-H.
Silver drank the water from the Peach Prince River. Peach. Ch. Peach. 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 Peach.
Ch. Peach. 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 Ch. Peach. 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 Peach.
Then everything he touched, touch. Ch. Touch. 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 Touch.
touch, 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 touch.
Ch, ch. Touch, 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 touch.
Changed into a peach. Change. Ch, ch, ch. Change. Ch, change. Ch, change. Change.
Ch, ch, ch. Change, 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 change.
Ch, ch, change, 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 change.
Now, let's change back. Peach. Change. Touch.
Peach, change, touch.
Mix everything together. Let's make change back ice cream.
Boca, 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 boca.
Change, change, change.
Change, change, change.
Touch, touch, touch.
Touch, touch, touch.
Peach, peach, peach.
Peach, peach, peach. Boca, boca.
Mix everything together.
Boca, boca.
Change, touch, peach.
Change, touch, peach.
Change, touch, peach.
Change, touch, peach. Boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, boca, boca. Boca, 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 boca. Boca, boca, boca.
Change back ice cream.
Change back ice cream.
Silver, take a bite. Just say
Let's see. No peach. No peach. Nothing changes into a peach. No peach. Joe, what's this?
Oh, I'm looking for a peach ice cream recipe.
No peaches.
Okay.
Joe, Peach Prince.
Oh, do you want to read the Peach Prince story?
Voca Voca.
Okay, let's read it together. The Legend of the Peach Prince. A long time ago, there was a prince who loved peaches.
Peach, yum, yum, yum. Peach, yum, yum, yum. I love peaches.
The prince loved peaches so much. He ate peaches for breakfast, peaches for lunch, and peaches for dinner. He ate peaches every day. But one day, the prince changed into a peach tree.
Oh, a peach tree. All done.
Wait! Wait!
The peach tree prince cried and cried. Then his tears became a river.
can smell peaches.
The woman drank the water, and something strange happened.
Oh, I touched my jug, and it changed into a peach. I touched this stone, and it changed into a peach. Oh
no! The woman changed into a peach. Everyone heard about the peach curse, and nobody came to the river. The prince had lots of peaches, but he was lonely.
Five little chickens dancing on the couch. Dance, dance, little chickens, do the chicken dance. One little chicken stops, saying goodbye. I'm off for lunch. Four little chickens dancing on the couch. Dance, dance, little chickens, do the chicken dance. One little chicken stops, saying goodbye. I'm off to the beach. Three little chickens dancing on the couch. Dance, dance, little chickens do the chicken dance. One little chicken stops, saying goodbye. I'm off to pick up some cherries. Two little chickens dancing on the couch. Dance, dance, little chickens do the chicken dance. One little chicken stops, saying goodbye. I'm too tired. One little chicken dancing on the couch. Dance, dance, little chicken, do the chicken dance. One little chicken stops, crying cock-a-doodle-doo. Come back, little chicken. It's time for dinner.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling bling.
Bling, bling.